I am back here with another YouTube video. I know it's been a while. I hope you guys been enjoying the shorts. And today we have the Rippa R32 Pro. It's going to be doing some work on the job site today. We're going to capture it, see how it works, how it moves, how it functions. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Go ahead, smash that noti bell, like, subscribe, and please comment. Let us know what you want to see next so we can have more videos that what you want to see. To show you a little bit of what's going on. If you see this orange spray, that means that this is where the Rippa will be digging out holes for the plumbing. I won't make this video long. As you can see, the Rippa is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's digging the holes, it's moving good, it's not making his time here any longer than what it should be. It's actually moving a lot faster. Pretty nice. So you just got done using the Rippa R32 Pro to dig holes for plumbing. How do you think it did?
I think it did good. Just as good as any other American machine. We had the controls were flipped around at first, but once we got that sorted out, it worked pretty good.
Alrighty, perfect. Well, thank you, and good luck on the rest of your day.
Thank you.
Of course. Go ahead, like this video, subscribe please, smash that noti bell. If you're interested in this Rippa, go ahead and visit us at www.getmowers.com or call us here so you can talk to a sales associate to see which machine fits your business and your needs most best. Till then, I'm out of here. See you guys.